When you hear the name Lamborghini, you don't just think of a car. You think of speed, power, sharp angles, and a sound that turns heads instantly. But have you ever wondered how these legendary supercars are actually built? Today, we are taking you inside the world of Lamborghini to see how art, science, and passion come together to create a supercar. Every Lamborghini begins as an idea. Designers in Sant'Agata Bolognese, Italy, sketch bolt shapes inspired by fighter jets, bulls, and pure aggression. But Lamborghini isn't just about looking fast. Each line is carefully designed to control airflow, improve stability, and maximize performance. Once sketches are approved, advanced computer models and clay prototypes bring the design to life, long before a single engine roars. One of Lamborghini's biggest secrets is carbon fiber. It's stronger than steel, but much lighter and perfect for supercars. Specialists layer carbon fiber by hand, curing it in high-temperature autoclaves. This process creates an ultra-strong structure that keeps the car light and incredibly rigid. Unlike mass-produced cars, much of this work is done manually, because perfection can't be rushed. At the heart of every Lamborghini is its engine, and yes, it's built by hand. Each engine is assembled by a single technician who signs their name when it's finished. From the legendary V10 to the roaring V12, every component is carefully checked and tested. Before installation, engines are run on test benches to make sure they meet Lamborghini's extreme performance standards. If it doesn't sound perfect, it doesn't leave the room. Unlike traditional factories, Lamborghini's assembly line is quiet, clean, and highly controlled. The carbon fiber body meets the chassis. Wiring, suspension, brakes, and electronics are installed step by step. Inside, the interior is crafted with luxury in mind. Hand-stitched leather, premium materials, and custom options chosen by the owner. Every detail matters, because no two Lamborghinis are exactly the same. Lamborghini offers some of the most striking colors in the automotive world. From bright yellows to deep metallic greens, each car is painted in a controlled environment to ensure a flawless finish. Some owners even request fully custom colors, making their Lamborghini truly one of a kind. After painting, the body is polished and inspected multiple times under special lighting. Before delivery, every Lamborghini undergoes rigorous testing. Engine performance, electronics, brakes, and handling are all carefully checked. Test drivers push the cars to make sure they perform exactly as promised. Only when everything is perfect does a Lamborghini earn its badge. A Lamborghini isn't just built, it's crafted. From the first sketch to the final roar of the engine, every supercar is a masterpiece of passion and precision. That's what makes Lamborghini unforgettable.